Hi there! Today I will show you how to use the green screen feature in CapCut. So first things first, log in into your CapCut account, and once you're in, take your pick between create a new image or create a new video. Now it's time to upload the image or video that features the green screen background you want to work on. Now moving on to the important details, let's deal with removing that green background. Just simply select your video or photo, then navigate to the cutout option from the menu. You may also activate the auto cutout option to effortlessly eliminate the green screen. Now, for the finishing touch, tap into the power of CapCut AI's background generator to craft the perfect backdrop for your creation. This feature allows you to experiment and tailor the background precisely to your liking. You can adjust the colors, play with textures, and refine the details until it complements to your content seamlessly. And once you fine-tune your background, you can now proceed to the export stage. This is where your edited work comes to life. CapCut make it a breeze to save your masterpiece directly onto your device, ensuring you have easy access to your polished creation. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell. And see you in the next one.